What are you doing? What the hell is that thing?
You bought this to spy on the nanny when I was a kid, don't you remember?
What, you put it in the warehouse?
Yeah, I thought it'd be cool to put the unmasking of Kick-Ass on the internet, okay? Watch.
I'm gonna sit on my lap and talk about the first thing that comes up. Just got the text. He's on his way. Right.